Word carry the wag was among the early callers that visited Emenike on his sick bed. I hope you slept well, he said. I wonder what Madume meant by this crazy fight. I thought this type of a thing is now only for children. Emenike wanted to explain that his illness was not caused by the fight. That he gave Madume several beatings. He defeated him severally and gave him worse beating. Only that his side hit on the top of a stump of a tree. But cough could not allow him to explain himself. He decided to keep quiet. So what he could have handled amicably at first